If you want to hide comments from someone on Instagram using your iPhone or Android, for that you have to open up your Instagram, press your profile icon, and select the hamburger menu from top. Scroll down and go to the comments option. And from this comments page, you can block someone from commenting on your post. You can also customize who can comment on your post or stories, choosing options like people you follow, your followers, or both. I prefer people you follow from here. If you want, you can also adjust story privacy to control who can reply to your stories. And there is an easy way to turn off comments on your Instagram post. Just go to your profile, select any post from here, tap the three dot menu, and choose turn off commenting. Once you do that, the comment box will be hidden. Isn't it really easy? I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.